Do you want to know how to fix the Roblox Error Code 524 on your PC? This error usually means the server is full or you don't have permission to join a private server. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox Error 524. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check Roblox server status. Open your browser and go to status.roblox.com and see if Roblox is having outages. If servers are down, you'll need to wait until they're fixed. Solution 2. Change content restriction settings. First, go to roblox.com and make sure you are logged in to your account. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Select Settings. Now make sure your account is verified. Roblox restricts some features for users under 13. Just provide any valid certification to verify your Roblox account. Now go to the Privacy and Content Restriction tab, then Communication. Now, in the Experience chat, set these two options to everyone. Go back and do the same for the party. Tap on it and set these two to Connections. Now go back to your game and check if it's working or not. Solution 3. Switch to a public server. Open any games, scroll down a little bit, and tap on Server. Here you can see a bunch of public servers. Join any public server you like. So that's how you can fix the Roblox Error Code 524 on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.